We are the first and only chopped cheese food truck in New York City. Chopped cheese is essentially a cheeseburger chopped up on a roll with lettuce, tomato, ketchup, and mayo. The first bite of a chopped cheese is just comfort. All the cheese is in every single bite. To me, it's New York City's Philly cheesesteak. Everybody knows what Philly cheesesteak is, but not many people know what a chopped cheese is, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to bring chopped cheese to the forefront and put it on a pedestal because chopped cheese is better than a Philly. I'll say that. I'll die on that hill.
The hype is real. The hype is real. Best chopped cheese in the city.
Morning routine every single day. Since we are a food truck, we don't have the luxury of having a basement where we can store and have a bunch of stuff, so we gotta shop every single day. Good thing I played a lot of Tetris when I was a little kid. You gotta fit a lot of stuff in a small space. The supermarkets that we go to aren't open for the public. It's specifically for restaurants and business owners. So those places are open anywhere from 1, 2 in the morning till 7 at night. This is the city that never sleeps, and it's very true. Like at any hour, somebody got something to do and they're gonna get it done. There we go. Every day I just pray for the parking guys to bless me with a parking spot. Because that's really the difference between an okay day and a bad day. It's all on location and your parking. This is the best part of my day, the beautiful sunrise. I get to witness it every day. I wake up at 3:30 in the morning, depending on my location, and I don't get home till 9, 10 at night. So I'm gone the entire day. I'm like 17, 18-hour days most of the time. Yo, what's good, my boy? How's everything? Good, baby. Right now we're grabbing propane to be good for 2 days. That's an empty one. That's easy to carry when it's empty. There you go. Appreciate you, bro. It's hard to cook in the cold, man, I'm telling you. So it lasts me like 2 days, if I'm lucky. All right, now we headed to Story Queens. So we are the first and only chopped cheese food truck that travels around New York City. A lot of food trucks, they stay in one place. We're open Wednesday through Sunday. We go to a different borough throughout those days. I mean, you gotta show everybody love, you know? I like to build anticipation. I like to have that on people's minds and schedules like, okay, he's gonna be here this week, I gotta catch him this week. Bro, this is New York for you. Getting cut off at every single second. And it's all about a respecting when these come to these food trucks. You gotta respect each other's spots, you gotta respect each other's locations. You don't wanna park in somebody else's spot that's been there for years. You know, it's disrespectful. Other than that, first come, first serve. Whoever gets to that parking spot first is yours. Where you park and where you're gonna be that day, it's a huge difference in business. You know, a lot of people try to go to the corner because you're getting an intersection, you know, you're getting visibility from 4 different directions. So if you're in the corner, you know, statistically, you're gonna attract more customers. So we on the corner of 30th Ave and Steinway Street. This is our spot when we come to Astoria, Queens. So it's 8 o'clock right now. We just got to our parking. We secured the parking spot. I don't open the window till 12. Usually I take a nap right now. Yeah, this is my pillow right here. I use this jacket and I fold it up and I go to sleep right here.
Take a nap.
So it's 10:30. I start prepping all the bacon. We cook about 2 packs a day. My whole day just consists of hitting timestamps. As long as I get this done before this time, I'm good to go. All right, so it's 12 o'clock now. We're about to open the window, serve whoever comes our way. Got my manager right here. He goes right here. These are actually my Timbs when I was younger. My mom saved them. You see the kicks hanging off the wire, so that's kind of like a little small tribute. All these stickers, this is like, you know, New York, a lot of people just slap stickers everywhere. I don't know where they came from. I don't know who put them there, but we just constantly, just every day, we're getting more and more stickers filled on this thing. All right, we're good to go. Now I just update the social media, make sure everybody knows we're here. We update it weekly, so, you know, we got it, the date, the time, the location, and where we're gonna be. This is Jair, this is my cook. He is absolute beast. He's actually 3 people in one. I couldn't have done this without him.
Bueno, yo me encargo de lo que es las papas, me encargo de hacer las carnes y que salga lo mejor posible. Yo cada día que vengo aprendo algo nuevo. Ahora mismo no estoy muy bien con el inglés, pero diariamente aprendo así sea una frase, una palabra. También el trabajo nos da la oportunidad esa, como hoy trabajamos acá, mañana en Manhattan y así. he podido conocer lugares gracias a eso.
It's important to have a team that's strong and efficient because we are a small truck. So it's not like we could fit 5 people back here. It's like you have to stay in that spot and you got to be able to twist and turn and get to what you need to do. Every day we get our bread fresh, baked, delivered to us. He does it that quick. He cuts like 100 plus rolls in like 20 minutes. He's good.
Vengo, agarro mis panes y empiezo a hacer los topping. Ya le doy los otros pedazos del pan de aquel lado, ya lo pone en la carne y yo lo relleno de este lado.
This is our classic OG. We start with a fresh patty, then we chop it up, we season it, we add the cheese, mix it all together, and you got greatness. Cheese is very important for us. It's like chopped cheese. You can't have a chop without no cheese. But this is our special blend of cheeses, cheddar and American blend. So the cheddar gives it the pull and the American gives it like that gooiness. We take our bodega sauce, and you throw a handful of fresh cut lettuce, put our prettiest tomatoes right on top, take our roll, and there you go. That's your classic chopped cheese, made the right way. These mini burgers were my favorite growing up, so I throw at least 2 in every bag. We got bags and bags and bags of them. We got all your different type of candies. Bet you haven't seen this since the early 90s. We got the Spice Girl lollipops. That's not for sale, that's just for the vibe and for the nostalgic feeling that it gives you. We got the Bazooka gums, comes with the comics. I grew up in a bodega. My mother owned one when I was younger, so I had to help her stock the shelves and clean up the place and stuff like that. It's a place where I did my homework. So bodega has always kind of like been a part of me. As a child, you don't really like pay attention to what your parents are doing, but as you get older, you start to realize like, damn, my mom was waking up every day to go do what she had to do. Like, man, she went through a lot, and now I see it going through it myself. Like, I can't believe she did this all by herself too. And it really makes me feel grateful for the mother that I have. Yo, what's up? Thank you. Special delivery from my wife, the sauce queen. She is the brains behind this operation. She takes care of all of her behind the scene things like counting, sauce making. She also does her own desserts, which we sell on the truck too.
I'm like the Bodega Truck superhero. Like, if he needs help, then I'm here.
When this was all her idea to sell it as a small bottle.
Our special sauce, and people really love it. And I take pride into this.
She makes it in big batches. Like, we have a huge tub it's like big
and
batches.
I'm using this machine that it's like...
That's like half her size. She's using this heavy blender to blend everything together. If you think what I do is a lot in here, she does more than me behind the scenes. She's very detail oriented. It's like she makes sure that everything is getting put where it needs to. And she also has a degree in accounting. She gets to run all the numbers and make sure we're hitting those things that we need to do.
How would I describe him? You're gonna be recording.
A handful, a lot to deal with.
He cares for everyone. This is truly his passion. And there's no better person to be in this business than him. I'm so proud of him. I'm a thug though. Don't let the tears fool you.
So for our next sandwich, we're doing our good morning sandwich. It's a bacon, egg, and chopped cheese with a seasoned hash brown inside of it. It's one of our best sellers right there. Growing up in New York City, like, bodega is part of everybody's lives. Everybody got their own personal corner bodega where the man behind the counter knows them. Just walk in and they already got your coffee light and sweet, or 3 sugars or whatever it is, they got you ready. They see you grow from a little kid to an adult. It's a real cornerstone of the community that it's in. As New York City progressed and got gentrified and modernized, you started seeing them less and less. Your corner bodega turned into a corner gourmet deli, or half deli, half juice bar. My mom's corner store is a Starbucks. We could do any of the sandwiches on top of fries. So our most popular one is the Dominicano on fries, you know, because I'm half Puerto Rican, half Dominican. And that's our most popular one. We price out minimum 50 of those fries a day, minimum. So each fry gets 1 giant slice of fried cheese and 2 salami. We also add our seasoning on top. Close it up, give it a good shake. Put the first layer of sauce to make sure it's good enough. We lay that right on top. We have fresh shredded cabbage that we mix together with our sauce. Chop all of it up into bite-sized little pieces. So you're getting fried cheese and salami on every bite. Layer it some more sauce right on top. Sprinkle some nice garnish on it so it looks nice and pretty. Good morning for you right here. Thank you. I've been eating chopped cheese since I was like 14, 13 years old. So it's like one of those things where, you know what goes good together and what doesn't. That's the beauty about a chopped cheese is you can switch it up and it comes together so perfect. Hello, Bodega. What can I get you, bro? I got you. What's your name? A lot of people have a misunderstanding and misconception. They think a food truck is easy. To work in a food truck, it's not your regular job. We don't have bathrooms, so you gotta be cool with the neighborhoods you pull up with. So it comes down to like just being a community. When in the summertime and it's hot outside, it's even hotter inside the truck. And when it's cold outside, it's even colder inside the truck. Working in a food truck is very, very difficult. It's hard work, but it pays off if you put in the work. Yo.
What up, bro? What's going on, man?
What can I get you?
Let me get OG on the hero.
Gotcha.
Double fries and peach snapple.
All right, give me a couple minutes. I got you, all right?
All right, good looking, man. I'm from Astoria and been coming here ever since it's been open. Instead of eating a hamburger, I feel like cutting up the burger and putting it in the hero makes the texture different, it tastes different.
The amount of stuff that we have to pay for, insurance, gas, commissary, parking, but the license itself is a rental thing. So you gotta pay that $25,000 every 2 years. It adds up to most of the time actual rent of a restaurant. I actually got you right here, my bro.
Oh, perfect.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yo, always
All
good
right.
seeing you, bro.
Likewise, take care, bro.
My favorite part is the satisfaction I get from the customers that I serve. Seeing them return means I'm doing something right. Yo.
What's up, bro?
Boy, how's everything?
Good, man. How you living?
Doing good, man. What can I get
Doing
you?
the thing. I'm in my hot girl era. I gotta go to hot chick.
You gonna go hot chick?
Let's go hot chick. Let's do it on fries, though. I've known Jeremy for years just from like the online food space. And then lo and behold, we ended up moving right up into Astoria. So, I mean, now it's a regular thing. I see my boy every week if I can, you know?
A lot of people have some idea that a chopped cheese is supposed to be $5. It's not 2007 anymore. Yeah, you can go to a corner store or bodega and get a chopped cheese and it'll be $5-6. These corner stores, they're able to offset those prices and give you a cheaper sandwich because they're overcharging you on something else. And a lot of people don't put that into perspective and realize that, all we do is sell is chopped cheese. All right, so we shut the window and we take our last order around like 8. And then after that, we got like 45 minutes to an hour cleanup where we gotta clean pretty much everything and then drive the truck back to the Bronx, back to the commissary, park it, sweep and mop on the inside, and then that's it, my day is done. And I don't get home till 10 o'clock maybe, 10:30, and then right back to it the next day. I really wanted to keep the bodega culture alive and the nostalgic vibe of New York City. All the customers that come to my window, they're like, I haven't seen this since I was a kid, and it makes me feel good that I could give them that feeling. That's what keeps me going, feeding off people's energy. And when they come to the truck and they have that vibe and they're ecstatic to see me and they're glad I'm in their neighborhood, that fills me up. I feed off that type of energy.